Hi guys! Hi guys! Look at our tent! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Look oh, Ishan oh! Woo! Galing ni Ishan lumangoy oh! There! Oh, ha? Diba? Gento sana tayo kaso nawala kayo. Ay mga sakit kayo. Look oh ha. And that's Vantot oh, Vantot. That's Vantot. See?
Paano ba ito gamitin?
Look. Oh, yun oh. Si Ishan. Alaka na water is clear. Yeah, water is clear. Go swim. Look Ishan oh, look Ishan. Look Ishan oh. Lalim to, malalim. Go Ishan, go.
I can do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow! Bilis! Galing, very good! See? Kayo lang eh. Ay, nako. This is life. Pagaling na lang dyan.
Get well soon!
Alright. Pagaling na lang kayo.
Bawi-bawi after
Bawi-bawi.
lakad.
You know the rules. Set up namin. Look at that. Look at that. Our setup. And these are Vantot. Whoa, Vantot. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Wala ng phone niya?
Maganda to. Well, what can I say? Ay, ang hirap talaga nang may ganitong buhay. Yung bang kahit gusto mo sa bahay, hindi ka pwede. Kasi nga, this is our life. You know, kami mga rich. Ganun talaga kami mga rich.
Yeah.
Kita mo? Ang tawag dyan? Sinola. Sinola. Read my lips. Sinola.
Beta lang mo.
Ay, chef. Kasi magta-Taiwan siya. So, super rich. and you know what, guys? They're gonna staycation only there in Taiwan. Hindi marunong makisama. Naman si Isha, no? Super enjoy ang bata niya. Oh, wow!
Buti na lang may new friend siya dito.
Ay, gusto ko na mag-swimming. Mukhang magsiswimming na ako. Kaya, kayo, bahala kayo dyan. Bye-bye! Oh yeah, good trip, good trip. Good trip, look at that. This is Shinola. And we have this
Ishan, mabasa yung
this,
food.
California.
Ishan,
And the
mabasa yung
chiffon.
food. Ishan!
Oh, look at this. Very awesome. Shinola.